Hi folks, welcome to my 8-Bit Retro Journal. This is a quick clip, 5 minutes or less. I recently discovered something in the QL SuperBASIC that's kind of cool. Well, I kind of knew you could do it, but I've never realized or never seen it used in this way, and I'm surprised that it hasn't been. Somebody on the QL forum posted this, and it's really interesting. So this is a SuperBASIC program, Minesweeper. I'm going to load it from microdrive, and it takes a little while because it's long. So go ahead and watch what happens. So watch the screen, and you'll see what I'm talking about. It's a pretty cool feature. Again, I'm using V-Drive, which emulates the microdrives. You can hear the beeps. It's going to take a while because, you know, loading from disk and tape is slow, but you can see it has this loading little ticker that it does now. Every time it hits the disk, every time you hear a beep, it kind of hits the next sector. And yeah, it's doing this twirl. Now, this is not a feature, a ROM edition or a program that I've added to the QL. The QL is bare bones. I'm just loading for microdrive. Let me show you the code. Just plain old basic code. There's nothing special going on there. I can run it. It's a Minesweeper program. All right. Well, let me reboot and show you what's going on. Okay, I'm going to show you by showing you two small programs. So I have hello. So I'm going to go copy mdv8 hello bas to console. And that's just a little one-line hello program, nothing special. Again, it's reading for microdrives, takes a second. And when you'll see, yeah, and if I load it, and list it, if I run it, boom, right? So nothing special. Let me show you the other one. So this one, notice no line number. If I load it, it immediately prints it. So when there's no line number, the QL actually will load it and run it. And obviously there's an lrun command that does the same thing. The only difference is you can intermix a non-running with running, and that's exactly what I did with Minesweeper. So let me show you its code. Trying to type too fast. And as it's doing that, yeah, you can see I have right there it says at 00 print loading, and then the next one it says at the bar, and every 10 or so lines I have it kind of ticked down like that. And that's really handy. You can do that in long listings. You can also do that for programs. Say you're loading a toolkit into memory, you're setting aside some memory in the heap, and then you want to run the program multiple times and you don't want to keep loading the toolkit. You can have the toolkit loaded without line numbers, and then then you can rerun the program. So there's lots of handy places where you can use that, and it's a really handy feature of SuperBASIC. I think it's really cool. I've looked at other basics. I know Amiga Basic doesn't do it. It will take non-line numbers, but it'll just act like it's a line number. I tried using it in Commodore, and I think it just creates a line number for it. This, the way it runs it by basically having non-line numbered ones run immediately, it's kind of a cool way to intersperse that. And so here you can create this basic ticker for any long listing so that the user knows how long to wait. Kind of cool. In any case, that's all I got for you today. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.